Hello Donut fam, this is Glazy. In today's video, I want to show you how D0 Agent uses a single prompt to call HTML tools and generate a custom dashboard. You can customize a dashboard that meets your specific needs by using D0. You can find this feature on the D0 dashboard. Simply scroll down the left navigation bar to the Personalize section and click it. For today's demonstration, I'm using a basic prompt. Build a BTC dashboard with live price and K-line charts, news headlines, market sentiment, funding rates, and key on-chain stats. Keep the layout clean and sharp. Just in 3 minutes, D0 comes back with a link to my customized dashboard. All features that I've asked for is well demonstrated on the page. Doesn't it look amazing? Try it out. Donut.